guys, welcome back to Vlogtober day
28.
Day 28. What do we have, like 3 days left? That's crazy. If you guys missed days 1 through 27, I've created a Vlogtober 2025 playlist, and I will link it above and below, and you can catch up on all the Halloween unboxing fun. Today we have one gift. It's for me, and I'm also going to show you another Halloween item I received from a company that is super cute. So I'm just going to dive in. Let's just do this. Let's do this. Look at your favorite.
It's going to be amazing.
You think?
Yes.
I think I should have gotten scissors. Because I don't know that I'm going to be able to get this.
Can I try?
Oh, wait. I got it. Oh. It looks like feels like so it's in brown paper. Oh, it's a Jack mug. Is it microwave safe? It's like the first thing I always want to see. It looks like it is. This is so cute. So this is a Jack mug. It's got Jack with black and bats. Same face on both sides, and then it is just black on the inside.
We love mugs.
I love mugs. I have a lot of mugs, but I'll have to say I have very few that can go in the microwave and then the dishwasher. So whenever you find one that is safe to do that, it's the best, and it usually gets used the most. I'm one of those people that after I make my coffee, I then stick it in the microwave for another minute before I add my little dairy-free creamer, because I like it like piping hot. So I prefer microwave safe mugs. This is awesome. I love this. What a fun day 28. Yeah, okay. Okay, so an item I wanted to share. I got this from Halloween Express for a collab that we did for Instagram and from Facebook, and they also sent me 2 other inflatables that you guys will see. I don't know if I'll have posted it or when I plan on posting it, but it has like our outdoor Halloween display. But it's so stinking cute. It's a stacked pumpkin. It's got Oogie on the bottom, Pumpkin King, and then Jack with a little pumpkin topper on his head. It's just so adorable. We keep this downstairs. And let me turn it on because it does light up. Hopefully you guys can see the difference. But yeah, I love it. It's super cute. So I thought I would share. Definitely check out Halloween Express. They have a lot of really cool NBC and also just Disney Halloween items, and horror if you're into that, and generic Halloween. So they're really fun. Awesome company. And yeah, that is it for day 28. Yay! We will see you guys tomorrow for day 29. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye.
Bye.